Good day. Akong napili nga hero is si Gabriela Silang. Kisa na si Gabriela Silang? Si Gabriela Silang was a Filipino revolutionary leader who played a pivotal. Pivotal means extremely important or crucial role in the Ilocano independence movement against Spanish rule in the 18th century. She is best known for her courageous or brave leaderships after the pagkamatay siyang bana na si Diego Silang. Namatay si Diego Silang noong 1763. So, si Gabriela Silang is pinanganak noong 1731. Si Gabriela Silang ay may lahing or may halong Espanyol, Ilocano at Tinggian. So, pinalaki siya ng isang pari matapos mahiwalay or mawalay sa kanyang mga magulang. At ipinakasal siya sa mayamang negosyante noong 1751, ngunit naging byuda 3 taon. So, pagkamatay sa katong negosyante, tong gikasal kang Gabriela Silang is gikasal na pud siya kang Diego Silang katong ay noong 1757. Kana si Diego Silang is a leader in the resistance against Spanish rule when the British captured Manila and in 1762, Diego allied with them, becoming governor of Ilocos. Gabriela was a key advisor and participated in the fight against Spanish purposes. So, following her husband Diego's assassinations in 1763, Gabriela Silang bravely took command of the Ilocano Rebellion, earning the title La Generala. She led the rebellion for 4 months, achieving several victories before her capture and executions by the Spanish in September 1763. Despite her short leadership, Gabriela Silang remains a significant symbol of Filipino courage in the fight for independence. Her legacy, honored through various organizations like the Order of Gabriela Silang and the Gabriela Women's Party. Doon ni Gabriela Silang nagpadayon gihapon sa pag-usig-usig sa Pilipinas nga nagpahinumdom sa mga tawo sa kusog og pagkamalahotayon sa espiritu nga mga Pilipino sa atubangan sa pagpugos. Ang iyang istorya usa ka pamatuod sa gahom sa kaisugon, determinasyon ug pagpangita sa hustisya. So mo to kong hero nga gipili.